Some Brits are fed up with pie lies. I'm Montalbano for Buzz60, and be careful what you label as pie in the UK. Some people want to make it a crime to give that distinction to just any food. They're coming after you, chicken pot pie. There's a petition on Her Majesty's government website to make wrongly describing a casserole with a pastry lid as a pie a criminal offense. For too long, the petition states, customers have ordered what is described on the menu as a pie, only to be served with casserole in a pot covered by a puff pastry lid. This is not a pie, and it is curiously difficult to consume. Did no one give you a fork? Petitioners say dining establishments should only call something a pie if it adheres to Oxford English Dictionary's definition of a baked dish of fruit or meat and vegetables, typically with a top and base of pastry. But if the petition gets 100,000 signatures, it could force a debate on the issue in the House of Commons. Now, even if you don't care what your food is called, I totally support you signing the petition just to hear members of Parliament debate the importance of bottom crust. Buzz60, now you know. Pass it on.